When I first started taking the class, I felt like there was going to be a lot of challenges trying to figure out, how we were going to get the language. When the instructor would speak French, I was wondering how I would get that because my interpreter did not know French.
I had a good experience with Tran. Actually, he's a pretty good student, but it's true that was the first time I had a deaf student in my classroom, and so I would say that perhaps one of the things I did or I paid attention to was to use more visual documents.
So I asked my teacher if they would mind writing it on the board so that we could make sure that the interpreter could get the spelling correct, and the interpreter would not have any difficulty trying to translate. They could actually look on the board and see what was written there, as well as myself seeing what was written there, and it made it a lot easier.
And so I said, okay, well, I'm going to try, I'm going to see what I can do. But Long apparently did well, enjoy the class and continue. Little by little, I'd use less and less English, and that's perhaps the challenging part, not for me, but for the interpreters.
That was one of the biggest challenges for me and the instructor as well, trying to figure out how to find the best method for all three of us.
I just like the dedication, the willingness to learn the language, and perhaps the desire to visit France or other Francophone countries.
Find a good qualified professor who is very patient in working with them and trying to find the best method for them to be able to learn that language.